What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. It's been a hot minute since I've posted anything, since I've even filmed. It's been a crazy month, to be honest. You know, from holidays being ruined due to COVID, and then starting renovations on our house and my beauty space coming together, sort of. Still working on it, still work in progress, but we're getting there slowly. But today I'm back, ready to film. I'm gonna be on a schedule from now on. Yay! So I'll be posting 3 times a week. I'll be posting Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So look forward to more content. I'm excited. But for today's video, I wanted to sit down and play with the Natasha Denona Love palette. Looks like this. So many gorgeous tones in this palette. Pinks, romantic tones, which gave me a thought. It's almost Valentine's Day. What? Like, how is it almost Valentine's Day already? That's crazy. So we're going to do a cute little Valentine's look. In this video, I just wanted to do something soft, something that's not too dramatic, something that's so simple to do, something you can just sort of throw in your eyes and be done, and it still looks cute. So that's what we're going to be doing today. To give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel would be much appreciated. And now let's just get on into it. Okay, we're going to start off with my base, and for my base I'm going to go in with my usual MAC Painterly paint pot. I'm going to go in with just a flat brush. This is just a Beach Cosmetics number 10 brush, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids. How crazy has this year been already? So out here in Australia, we've been pretty much COVID free. I mean, Western Australia now has cases of COVID. New South Wales, where I live, has just gotten over cases of COVID, which ruined Christmas time for everyone. Thank you very much. But 2021 has already been crazy. There's been a confirmed case of like a super virus, like a super version of COVID out here. And so everyone's sort of on alert to make sure that doesn't spread, because apparently it is much more contagious than the, you know, original COVID. So that's a bit scary. We don't want that. But also it's just been sort of a crazy 2021 altogether for me. We've started our renovations on my beauty space. I should take a video and do like a before and after. We started renovations on my beauty space, so that's pretty fun and exciting. But my daughter went into U1 as well, and it's just crazy. It's crazy. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and it is called Heart, and it's just this sort of pinkish reddish shade. And I'm just gonna pick that up on a brush like this. This is the Beach Cosmetics number 8. I believe this is just from like their marble collection, I think. Tap off the excess, and I'm just gonna go in my crease. So it's been a hot minute since I've been on here. How was everyone's Christmas and New Year's? We didn't do anything for New Year's. I got dressed up to sit at home. Honestly, I got dressed up to sit at home, and it feels weird asking about Christmas and New Year's now because it was so long ago now. It's already February, but I've been out of the loop for so long, you know? For so long. It's good to be back finally filming, you know? I feel like doing my makeup and everything is what keeps me sane. I didn't really do any makeup over the holidays because I don't know. I haven't been in a very good place mentally, you know? Things have been so intense and crazy, and it's just been hard to stay, you know, motivated to do things. You know what I mean? I'm going to pick up a fluffy brush like this. This is the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go in very lightly with this shade right here called Intense to blend out that reddish shade. But I just want to go very lightly because like I said, I don't want it to be too dramatic. So my new filming space. I'm currently looking at new lights for my filming space. A new mic, just all new equipment. I got this set up behind me, my little cabinets. Super fun. I've just got to get some like makeup organizers for them because at the moment they're just a whole mess, big mess. So I need some makeup organizers for that. If you have any recommendations of websites where you can get really good you know, makeup storage, makeup organizers, please leave it linked down, leave link down below in the comments, or just leave a comment with the name of the store. I'd much appreciate it. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of that heart shade. Didn't seem to stick too well in my crease here, but maybe it was just the brush. Now we're looking something like this. I'm gonna go back in with my Painterly paint pot from MAC, and I'm not gonna do like a super intense cut crease. I just want to sort of carve it out a little bit to put my shadows down, make it all look a little bit neater. I just completely had that camera covered up. I'm sorry, I'm still getting used to YouTube. It's been a while since I've filmed, so your girl is struggling getting back into it. Plus, it's not like I had filmed that much anyway last year. I'm gonna go back in with some of that heart shade, and I just want to blend that in to the paint pot there so it's not a harsh line. And then on a flat packing brush, I got this from Fenty, which is just like a brush cleaner, like a dry brush cleaner, and it's incredible. I love it. So I'm just using that to clean off my brush, and I think I'm going to go into this shade right here, this silver shade called Blind. I just dug my finger in there. My nail just gouged it a little bit. And I'm just patting that all over my lid where I put down that base. Going back in with no extra product on that brush, just whatever's left on there, blending that silver into that red pink shade so it's not so harsh. And then I am going to go in with a little bit of glitter, and this is just the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Volume. And I'm just going to sort of go in my crease here where that line is, where the silver is. Of course, you don't need to add glitter. I just, everything has to be dramatic for me. And now I've got a little bit of glitter in there. It's time to move on to the face. So I'm just going to quickly pop my hair back. Oh, now I'm looking cute. So I've just popped my hair back, and I'm gonna go in with my primer now. So I recently picked up a new primer from Barry M. This is the Pixie Skin Blurring Beauty Elixir, and it just comes in a dropper. Comes in a dropper like that. So I'm just gonna, I guess, drop a little bit on my face. Just like that. And I'm just going to rub it in my skin like I would any other primer, I guess. It smells really nice. It smells sort of like cucumber. Like, you know, you get like that cucumber scent in like deodorants or moisturizers. It smells like that. It smells very nice. Not sticky on my skin. My skin feels quite soft. I like it. I'm happy with that. Now for foundation. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation. Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the shade 118 Light Beige. And I'm just going to pop some of that out onto a palette. The only thing I hate about this foundation is the fact that there is no pump. I'm just going to pick that up on my sponge and just start putting that all over my face. This is such a good foundation. I've always loved this foundation. It's a good drugstore foundation. So inexpensive. And it's always on sale. If you live in Australia, it's nearly always on sale in Priceline. Like always. Now that I've got the foundation, I'm going to go in with my concealer. And for concealer, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Peach. I don't like to put too much concealer on my under eyes because then it just looks cakey and gross. So I'm going to let that sit for a little bit while I blend out the rest of my concealer I put on my face. And for my setting powder today, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fairlight. This is a new, I just bought a new container of this, so open her up. And to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation. I know what you're thinking, oh my god, that's a lot of foundation. Hear me out. Going in with a duo fiber brush and just lightly putting that over my skin. I love putting the powder foundation over it because, I don't know, it just gives me a little bit extra coverage and hides any of those red spots that were sort of peeking out. Next, I'm going to go in with my brows, and for brow product today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. So for brows today, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown, using the spoolie side to brush up my brows. And then filling them in with the pencil. I don't want anything too dramatic for my eyebrows today because this is not a super dramatic look. I shaved off the ends of my eyebrows, so I'm still learning how to work with it. Next, I'm going to go in with eyeliner, and for that I'm going to be using the KVD Tattoo Liner. This is just a small sample size I got with one of my, it was like a birthday gift from Sephora. I'm just going to do a little line. I'm not winging it out today. I just want to do a thin line across my eye. Just like that. And I am going to go in with a little bit of this pink gel liner. This is the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Good Reef. And I'm going to stick that in the waterline. Just for a little pop of color, you know. I'm then going to take a small little pencil brush. Just like this. This is the Zoeva 230 Luxe Pencil Brush. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of this intense shade and of the shade Valentine, which is a lighter pink, and I'm just gonna go under the lower lash line with that. I'm also going to pop an inner corner highlight, and I think I'm just gonna go with this shade called First. I'm not gonna put a shimmer in there, just something to lighten it up a little bit. Just like that. And now, because this is not going to be a super dramatic look, I'm not going in with lashes today. I'm just going to go in with my mascara. And for mascara today, I picked up the Essence Lash Princess. So today for bronzer, I'm going in with the light to medium bronzer duo from Jouer. And I'm going to pick both of these shades up. So I'm just swirling my brush in there with both shades. And for blush, I'm going in with one of my little Tarte Blush Authority palettes, and I'm going to go into the second shade in this, which is called Sweet Cheeks, which is this shade right here. She's looking cute. For highlighter, I'm going to pick up my Ofra highlighting palette, and I'm going to go into this middle shade here, which is Pillow Talk, which is like a pinky sort of highlight. I love Ofra highlighters. They give off such a gorgeous glow. So next we're going to go in with lips. Take off my headband. So next we're going to go in with lips. And for lips, I think I'm going to go in with, so for lips, I want a soft lip. So I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Lumiere, which I think was a Kathleen Lights one. And I'm just going to outline the outside of my lips, fill it in a little bit, and then go over it with a gloss. And for gloss, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Ruby Milk. Okay, and that's the completed look. So I hope you guys like this look. As I said, so simple. It was just, what, like 3 colors thrown on the lid with a little bit of glitter liner. Optional, of course, and like a rosy pink lip. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.